Hey, you found the secret video. Congratulations, I've got some good news for you. The description of this video is home to all of our free PDF patterns, so you can go down there and check out the ones we have already, and we're adding more all the time. The projects we give away are usually very beginner friendly or random quirky projects like this needle holder, which are pointless but a lot of fun to make, or it could even be your next home decor item, like this beanbag. And right below those free patterns, you'll find a list of all of our DIY kits, which come with everything you need. From materials, hardware, notions, and step-by-step video tutorials to help you tackle some awesome projects. And while those aren't free, they're an amazing way to learn sewing, canvas work, and leather crafting skills. Because here's the thing, making patterns that actually work and line up properly is the hardest part of DIYing. But that's why we're here, to make some projects that you can be proud of and make the whole process as stress-free as possible. So save this video and share it with your DIY friends, and keep an eye out for this secret video and other YouTube shorts, because that'll mean there's a free pattern available. And if you enjoy those patterns and kits, please show your support by subscribing to the channel. You'll see a lot more DIY projects, tips and tricks, and product spotlights. So I'll see you in the next video, because you are going to subscribe, right? And if you're still somehow not convinced you want to subscribe to the channel, I'll play a quick montage of clips while you're scrolling through those free PDFs to see if it's something you might want to subscribe to. Anyways, thanks for watching, enjoy those patterns, and I'll see you in the next videos. Because you're subscribing. You're subscribing. You made it this far.
Hey guys! Today we're going to show you how to make this reusable lunch sack.
And a Sell-Right leather glasses case kit.
Some DIY fabric pumpkins.
Trendy yet simple tote bag.
Well, my partner's going to be down below. We're going to pitch a few things over the top just to see how it works.
We're going to be upholstering this very old, smelly, boring waiting room chair.
We're going to be working in a garage because we're starting a new automotive DIY series.
Episode 5, we've made it. This is the 5th and final episode of our fundamental skills for beginner leather crafters.
This dual-purpose faux leather bag is the perfect stylish accessory for anyone on the go.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.